Good morning, students. I am Asutosh Ranjan, science teacher from Modern English School, Bihar Sharif branch. Today I am going to start your ninth chapter, volcanoes, earthquakes and tsunamis. As we know that there are so many planets, there are so many planets in the universe, but only Earth is the planet where life is possible. Everything, every possibilities, every needs which are essential for existence of life are available only on the Earth planet. But sometimes, due to any natural causes, our Earth and our surroundings become furious, become dangerous, and then it causes so many death of living things and also loss of properties. So these conditions in which resident of the earth face danger and furious condition in the form of loss of life and properties, that is called disaster. Disasters come on the earth in different forms, and these disasters come on the earth in the form of volcano, earthquake, tsunamis and so many. So in this chapter we will study about volcanoes, earthquakes and tsunamis. So today's term for volcano. Volcano is that dangerous thing, that furious condition originated on the earth's surface in which hot molten rocks come out on the earth's surface. So from where these molten rocks come above the earth, this passage is called as vent. The way from under the earth to the earth's surface, that is called vent. And molten material which comes out from under the earth's surface is called magma, and when molten magma come on the earth and cool down, that is called lava. So there are three types of volcano. According to their eruption, volcanoes are of three types: active volcano, dormant volcano and extinct volcano. Active volcano, dormant volcano and extinct volcanoes. Active volcanoes are those volcanoes which was erupted lastly near about time, and it can erupt any time in near future. That is active volcano, and also those volcanoes which are erupting means which are in active condition, which had erupted before some time and maybe erupt in future in nearly. So these volcanoes are called as active volcano, and some active volcanoes are Mount Fuji, Mount Erebus. These are some active volcanoes. Whereas dormant volcanoes are those volcanoes which had been erupted in future, but it is possibility that may be erupt in future. There is a little possibility to erupt, but present time that is in sleeping mode, dormant mode, that is called dormant volcano. These are Chile, Sitic, Alaska. These are dormant volcanoes. And next, last is extinct volcanoes. Volcanoes which has been erupted in long past time and it cannot be erupt in future. There is no possibility of eruption in future. These types of volcanoes are extinct volcanoes. These volcanoes are found in Mount New Zealand, and those are Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, in New Zealand, Mount Igneont. So these are three types of volcanoes on the basis of their eruption. So for today that's all. Further I will discuss about another disasters take place on the earth. Thank you. Have a nice day.